In today's video, I will be sharing an exercise routine for children which is proven to contribute positively to mental wellness. Hello everyone, this is Tanya and you are watching Socialite Tanya. Before we begin with it, press the subscribe icon and also give a thumbs up because that motivates us. With many schools closed across the country, parents are finding it hard to get their kids to exercise. It's not easy to get kids to work out during lockdown and social distancing, but I have found some great inspiration for them. Here is an exercise regime for kids that can be incorporated as a part of their healthy lifestyle. Always start with warm-up exercises to get muscles and heart moving. Jumping jacks are great for making the bones stronger of children. They help in increasing the body temperature and aerobic capacity of the child. They release happiness hormones endorphins, which reduces stress. This exercise will stretch the hamstrings and 4 muscle groups found in the back of thigh. It targets the abdominal muscles and is very good for warming up the body of the child. This stretching exercise calms the brain and helps relieve stress and stretches the spine, shoulders and hamstrings. It improves digestion of the child and soothes headache and anxiety too. Now it's the time for cardio fitness workout. High knees is the simplest form of exercise for kids. They love it as this exercise works on both muscles and brains and helps in improving kids' coordination as switching sides make them concentrate better. Squats are important because increasing blood flow to the brain helps with cognitive function of the child. Doing squats helps to build strong muscles and bones. This exercise can help autistic children or anyone that struggles with concentration or controlling emotions. Jumping lunges are a fantastic lower body exercise that increases the intensity and difficulty of the basic lunge by adding a jump. Lunge helps to strengthen the muscle tissue and increases the core strength of the child. It is a workout that is both fun and effective. This exercise improves the posture of the child and also tightens the core, which helps the child to perform exercises with better form and helps to work all other muscle groups more effectively. Now some floor exercises to strengthen the child's whole body. Burpees are the ultimate example of functional fitness for the child. Burpees will not only help you lose weight and get fit, it will also help to perform better in everyday activities. It helps in improving the lung capacity of the child and is the best exercise for fat loss. Mountain climber is an awesome exercise for kids as it improves hand, foot and eye coordination. It builds confidence of the child and helps in exercising their core, legs, arms and even the tiny muscles in their hands. Plank pose is a full body pose that strengthens and tones the core muscles of the body. At the same time, it also strengthens the arms, wrists, shoulders and muscles around the spine. Bicycle crunch is an excellent workout for the large muscles in the legs. It builds muscle mass of the child, relieves stress and strengthens emotional wellness. It also enhances socializing skills and keeps the children active and healthy. Lastly, some cool down stretching exercises that is must for children. This stretching exercise calms the brain and helps relieve stress and stretches the spine, shoulders and hamstrings. It improves digestion of the child and soothes headache and anxiety too. Butterfly pose improves sitting balance and posture. This pose can become both a multi-sensory and an educational activity for the child. Pigeon pose elongates the back, opens the hips, hamstrings and relieves pressure on the lower back of the child. Downward dog is a wonderful pose to increase the strength and flexibility of the child. It energizes the body and strengthens arms and legs. Smile, breathe and do child's pose as it is a true resting pose and the one that the child can hold for a long period of time. So that's all from me and hope you benefited greatly from this video and you are going to follow this fitness regime now onwards. I'm going to drop links to related videos and in the meantime hit that subscribe icon and the bell right next to it. Swasth raho, mast raho, stay fit, stay happy, stay positive and thank you.